Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how I make and use my scalp exfoliator, because if you've been here for a while you know that I suffer with a very dry scalp. It has been even drier still now that it is a lot hotter here in Trinidad, and I don't know what's happening. So I'm going to try out this scalp exfoliator for the first time, and I'm sharing the information with you. I will return at a later date to let you know how it worked and whether I saw any improvements in my scalp. As you can see, the ingredients are very few and far between. I'm using sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using 3 tablespoons of sunflower and grapeseed oil. And the only reason that I'm using this oil and no other is because sunflower oil is non-comedogenic and I'm having an issue with pomade acne. I am also using 5 drops of clove oil and 5 drops of peppermint oil each. Now with clove and peppermint oil, they both have very great antiseptic properties. Peppermint oil is known to soothe your scalp and to fight against dandruff. Clove oil is also antimicrobial, and so it would kill any bacteria and microbes on the scalp that may be causing the extra dryness and just stimulate my scalp to encourage hair growth. So here I'm just showing you guys what my scalp looks like, and I actually used the shampoo that morning, so you're not even getting a true picture of how dry and flaky my scalp actually is on a normal basis. But you can at least see that it is not as clean and shiny as it will be after my use of the exfoliant. And this is my mixture. I'm just taking a little bit and I'm applying it to the scalp, directly to the scalp, and I'm massaging it in. I'm also going to separate my hair in quarters and separate my hair into smaller sections so that I can apply the mixture directly to my scalp. This felt really good, guys, and the sugar began to melt, so you will have no trouble, absolutely no trouble washing the sugar out, especially if you use warm water. I didn't even use warm water and I had absolutely no trouble washing the sugar out, and my scalp felt like it had been given some breathing room. If you're having scalp issues or if you're having hair growth issues and you think it may be as a result of product buildup on your scalp, you may want to try this. Really nice. And I just massage generally. As you can see, the sugar flakes have already disappeared. They're melting into my hair. And that's it, guys. I will return at a later date, as I mentioned, to let you guys know whether I saw any vast improvement. I already think that I saw an improvement, but I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know whether you've ever tried a scalp exfoliant. See you next time. Bye.